Hello lovely people, and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this super drink. This is my concept and I want you all to also benefit from it. So I have this millet and I also have my rice, and I'll be using these two amazing ingredients to make a super drink that you will love to always enjoy. So in this large bowl, I'm just going to add my rice and millet together. I'll make sure that I take off any strange or unwanted stuff. Then quickly I'll add my water in and I'll let it soak for 8 hours. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to show your support. I'm most grateful for your time. So now I have just added my water. I'll take off the unwanted stuff or the unwanted millet on top. Then I'll cover it, and after 8 hours, I'll come and proceed to the next step. Please, I'll be glad to know where you are watching this channel from by leaving comments in the comment section. So after 8 hours, this is how everything is. So I just drain off the water and rinse it one more time. Then quickly, I'll pour it into my blender. So now I'll also be adding some sweet dates. And here it is. I'll add about 4 or 5 of it into the rice and millet. If you have any other type of date, you can use it, but in this I prefer to use this type of date. So now I'm just going to add some water, cover my blender, then I'll blend both rice and millet with the dates together. So at this point of blending, I'll take it off, then I'll add some water, and straightforward I'll use a very fine strainer to strain to get my juice. This strainer is so helpful, even though it takes so much time for me to finish with everything, but whenever I use it, no particle is able to pass through except the juice. But if you don't have this kind of strainer, you can use other strainers by straining 2 or 3 times just to get rid of any chaff in it. So I'll keep on straining till everything in the blender is strained. I have finished with my straining, so I'm just adding my sugar. I'll gently stir it, and then I may at this point decide to keep it in the fridge for it to get chilled, or straightforward, if I have some ice cubes, I'll put some in my cups and I'll gently pour in this wonderful drink, and then I'll enjoy it. Please do try this. It is super soothing and is also nutritious. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.